Transform your audio with the Digimore D660 Gooseneck microphone. Looking for a professional quality microphone for your meetings, video conferences, or live streams? The Digimore 24-inch Gooseneck condenser microphone D660 is here to elevate your sound game. Whether it's for a classroom lecture, boardroom presentation, or online streaming, this mic ensures crystal clear audio for every situation. The D660 impresses with its sleek design and solid build quality. This 24-inch Gooseneck microphone features XLR input compatibility for professional-grade audio setups, on-off switch, convenient control at your fingertips, adjustable gooseneck, perfect positioning for optimal sound capture. Key features and benefits: crystal clear audio. The condenser microphone captures every detail, ensuring you sound professional in every setting. Versatile usage, ideal for meetings, lectures, streaming, or even podcasting. Plug and play. Simplicity easily integrates with your XLR audio interface or mixer. Durable build built for frequent use with sturdy construction and a modern aesthetic. Real-world applications, meetings and video conferences. Ensure every word is heard clearly. Lectures and presentations, perfect for classrooms, seminars, and podiums. Streaming and content creation, take your streaming audio quality to the next level. Digimore D660 microphone in various settings to show its versatility and performance. From clear voice projection in a conference room to precise sound capture during live streams, this mic delivers top-tier audio quality. If you're looking for a reliable, professional quality microphone, the Digimore D660 is the perfect choice. Its flexibility, durability, and superior sound capture make it a must-have for anyone serious about audio quality. What's your favorite microphone for professional use? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech tips.